everyone. Hey, it's me Ahana. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's learn the names of different shapes. Shapes are interesting, isn't it? So, let's start. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, star, heart, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon. I hope you had fun learning the names of shapes. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.